direction. Okay, welcome to the 2018 Hess review. And so we're first going to be talking about this. We tried doing a wheelie with it, and we even followed the directions, but it just didn't work. And also, if you turn his head, the lights will turn on.
Mm-hmm.
If they're on, it'll turn off. If they're off, they'll turn on. And there's both sides of the. There is these that go inside. It's just hard to get this one out.
I think you have to press the button. Turn around. There's like a button over the door for the motorcycle. There we go.
It's just
interesting. It doesn't work.
If you have one of these, you might. Ours might be broken, but it could be true. And let's move on to the one inside.
Ooh.
Okay, so this one, oh, and also, by the way, if you see on the back, he's all green, and it says Hess on it for the Hess truck. And this one, it's kind of like a little mini car, and it could still do a wheelie, but you just even follow the directions on the box. And also, if you drag them back, they'll just go. And about this kind of looks like a racing car because of this. Even it says right here, it says Hess 2018, and they're both really good to just like drag that. So just
Mm-hmm.
go.
So, Adam, in the quick seconds we have left, what do you think of this year's Hess truck compared to all the other Hess truck reviews that you do?
And
do you like it? Do you like this year?
These would make sounds like all the other years it would make sounds, but it actually just doesn't. We're just all wondering. And there's also like a light that you can't really turn off.
Maybe from the bottom. So anyway, so what do you think? Do you like this year's Hess truck or no?
The only thing I don't like about it is that the wheelie won't work.
Okay. Do you want to wish everybody out there in Hess truck world a happy Hanukkah?
It's not. If you don't celebrate Hanukkah, you might even not know what Hanukkah is.
Okay.
And Hanukkah is the story. It's of Jewish people called the Maccabees.
Okay.
And people in Greek were destroying their temple, and they didn't want them to be Jewish, and the Jews were like dressing up like Greeks and reading books that how to be a Greek, but they're actually putting
Are you off topic from the Hess truck?
a Hebrew book to learn, and also when the Greeks left, when the Greeks left, they only had one more candle left, and that was made. It's just one teeny little bit of more oil, and Hanukkah's for 8 days.
How long did the oil burn for?
8 days.
Okay.
And you have we celebrated it, and we make latkes. That's like
okay, all right.
baked
So
potato
it's
pancakes.
okay. Why don't we sign off on our Hess truck review?
And you play dreidel, and if you get a gimbal, that's the best. You take all the money for straws. If you get a hay, you take half of it. If you get a nun, that actually sounds like a nun. That means you get nothing. And if you get a
Amanda, would you like to sign off for this year's 2018 Hess truck review?
and also it's populated at kind of like it's maybe. I think it was all the way in Egypt.
And that has been the 2018 Hess Truck Review.
Yay!